Yes. So, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand? One Nation and Imara Nation. One Nation and Imara Nation. One Nation and Imara Nation. Up move! Yo, here I know now. We have the pre-wear going right now. We're going to continue with the Arjay explaining the whole situation, why he is a so-called girl clown, you understand? And so far, I agree with everything where I say. So far, everything where you do is not no girl clown thing, except you not wanting to lie to Zoe. Brother, you don't have to tell her shit, bro. You're not obligated to tell her nothing. And once we, man, understand the woman exercise, feed them right, with all information, then you know so you have to do the same thing to me. G, understand? So, brother, so you can continue right now. You understand what I say? Arjay. As I say already, you know, Arjay, you're up right now. You're up right now. I review My Girl a music video. She named TAVII ZOEY. I review TAVII ZOEY video. Make sure you go watch it. Arjay, you're up right now, Arjay. You're mad them. Up move. Go continue.
So I came clean. Mr. Zoe the night when they argue. I go over X, Y, and Z and me and her 1-2-1-3.
Word.
That was so you realize how much strike me upon strike 3.
Okay.
So basically during that time me and Zoe was in our getting to know each other phase. We like each other, we get to know each other to see if we fit our match. See, but at the same time, me with my fuckery, as one man call it, gallus self, I still went and pursue other females at the same time. Pursuing those other females basically drive a wedge into Zoe, like, if we're dating, why do you need to do that? And so far, I'm gone 3 strikes, guys.
It's dating. Uno not there.
Strike 4.
Bro,
4.
3 of them strap there, don't forget
Sugar
no strap.
mommy. Yeah. So.
Bruh. Yo, brother.
Man, I have to know what a sugar mommy is.
I must have true live America.
So basically, I had this girl from X place sending me some food. Man, I gotta talk so cause if I talk now, man, she gonna know say she. So yeah, I had this female from X place sending me some food.
Yeah.
If I get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Every time I need something,
Rate for that.
talk. I'm not hide and talk. See?
Yeah.
She was like a supporter, and she said, I see that you have like problems in like certain areas of your videos.
Right.
I would love to invest in you. She didn't want no relationship or anything. She just like
a lie she tell.
But she liked me though.
Damn right. She like damn right.
Just wanted to invest.
What the fuck you thought, nigga?
Right? So I'm saying cause. I say I take it up one time. Then tap me again. And I say every minute I collect $80, $100, $150, $150. So I collect money. Then till eventually Zoe did end up find out about she. So Zoe did find out about she on the 876 Roadshow promoting the first episode of 876 now. That was kind of the second to last straw, cause when she find out, I legit had to ask the driver of the big 876 bus I carry all about the place. So I legit have to ask the driver for him key for the bus. I drive the bus from right there, so go around and I chat to Zoe. So me and Zoe argue upon the bus about I tell her say it's not my girlfriend, she's just a friend, she's just a supporter that sends me food. And Zoe said, okay, it's last straw. So Zoe cried and said all that, and Zoe wasn't angry that I was doing it. No, she was angry, but other that makes you that angry. Everything basically revolved around the same problem. I was not honest about what I was doing. I did not tell Zoe about the girl that I had at foreign. I never tell Zoe about the girl we did my side chick. I never tell Zoe about the girl that has some money. And since recently, I never want to tell. No, I don't say that one is still because that one is extremely recent.
Pause is right. So Brother, you and Zoe just dating. I must have true mean if America dating is a total different thing because when me there at Jamaica, I used to think like him. You see me? We are date. You see me? Me and you alone. Nobody else in a picture. Me and you alone, mama, until we work it out or we don't work it out. No, brother, them girls say them now put them egg in a one basket, brother. You understand me? I say bad, bro. Them American girl and even the Jamaican girl, them are America, them say the same thing, bad, bro. Them now put them egg in a one basket, bad, bro. So you are be hard on yourself because you never tell she, you know. Brother, you're not obligated to tell her, shit, nigga. You crazy, nigga? You crazy, boy? I don't know, check the timeline too, you know, because the thing them is TAVII ZOEY go on with a 876 roommate. We know pre-say at the time when she find out say my boy that have be a woman and now she find out say the dog have sugar mama. So what she go do? She go start flirt with the dog them at 876. So comes the dog take pill now and almost hurt himself. You see me? When you check the timeline, we are listen. Them for no say we are listen. Now we continue.
So yeah,
Dog
back
beat
up
up
Jason.
liquor.
So it was a breaking point. Then there was something else on 876. I think you saw Zoe posted about it. There was this particular comedian girl that we have a situation with, and it really drive a wedge between me and Zoe because Zoe thinks like me and her did sleep together upon 876. Zine, and because it was a case like 876 we did charter some room there because them did have 100 other YouTubers and some video vixen there, so everybody have to get a room. We couldn't find Zoe at the time. Them fling me in our room with an ex-comedian female. We now call her name. Then Zoe did get in her feelings because basically me care ex-place. Zoe have to hold it off on one couch, but me go up on the ground and lie down side her zinc and me go ex-place. But they said the second night was a problem. Me and Zoe did have an altercation. No, they said the next day. The next day was the day of the day when Zoe find out about the girl where I sent me the food, right? And it's like that same night, me and Zoe never did talk to each other. So Zoe disappeared. I went X place. The driver of the bus where they carry to the place which probably did there. Because upon a beach today I get food and everybody go back at the 876 house, but nobody couldn't find Zoe. So when I go back at the house, everybody get let off. The man asked me if I'm good. I say, yeah man, I'm kind of good man. He must say I go on bar in a flanker in a mobile. So I'm sorry then I go with him. So I go with him now, enjoy myself. I come back after 1 o'clock in the morning. At the same time, the same comedian girl Zoe accused me of sleeping with. She was just finishing her confession. Confession, I think like on 876, like we had talked about a situation. Yeah. So when time she come out of that now, apparently Zoe was looking for me. So the same girl that Zoe was suspicious of me and her, basically we both disappeared for, alright, this is how fucked up it was. I was in Flanker at the bar for 3 hours. She was in the computer room doing her confession for 3 hours. I had 2 and 2 together now how that look. So basically because if me and her sneak or somewhere for 3 hours fuck and come back after when I try to pretty it. So Zoe did have my phone. So Zoe did have my phone, right? Because Zoe did go through my phone. That's how she find out about the girl where I send my food.
Pause that real quick, bad bro. Rookie mistake, my nigga. Rookie mistake. Brother, my personal girl can't even have my phone, brother, much less somebody I date. Yeah. Bro, you put your heart all in too early, bad bro. You gave her too much access and too much control to Arjay, bad bro. TAVII ZOEY shouldn't have your phone, bad bro. When she go around with some other comedian, higher caliber comedian, more well-known comedian than you, brother, she use the fact that you have gal for go do fear thing, even though she have all right for go do fear thing because not just dating, but she use your thing for excuse herself, for make it okay. You know what? Yeah, I did what I did because XYZ. No, mama. You know, if I have the man phone, you know, if I care who the man I fuck with until they say, yo, RJ, you know, I really like you and I want you to be my boyfriend. Once you go to mama set up, mama, then you have talk. You know, I have no blood clot talk around and so mama, you understand? I say, easy! I want to you. Go continue.
that was the main straw. And then it followed. Then you could also say, then at one point, yes, is how you blow up, say, me a waste man and them sugar shit there back then. So that's are some of the main reasons why Zoe do not like rush for going and nothing at all with me, because first things first, I started off me and Zoe's friendship on a lie. Cool? So Zoe basically have her guards up, because Zoe is always a very loving person and she cared, but Zin, me and her then she kiss me up on my jaw sometimes when time you see me? When time she knows I'm kind of feel down. Zoe had the reason why I stop using one bag. Maybe I use one bag of different girl in my video. Yo, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Can memory go low a while ago, but I have to delete something. Anyway, Zoe's a caring person. So
but I remember card better.
I rate her X, Y, and Z. And right about now, I have done so much fuckery from since I know Zoe. And the funniest part about it, like me there, I do videos with Zoe and me are all out, and I'm trying to like erase the bad memories where she have with me, cause Zoe have me as a liar, and that's why Zoe always call me a gallus. Cool. So that are the main reason why me and Zoe not to see eye to eye. Forget what I try to say people.
Word.
So yeah, and next thing. Someone now say, me bring her up on YouTube, and me bring fame to her. No, so what did I do? YouTube long before she meet me, brother.
Word.
Zoe slap her first, 300,000 views because of Fry Irish, not me.
Word.
So, I don't want a man to say me bring Zoe to media. Just give her a little push and thing, that's all. And as someone say, me pay Zoe light bill, water bill, all them shit, they cut that fuck out. So is her own independent woman, she'll make her own money, she'll do her own thing. The most me can say is me take a president's 1 and 2 times, because they will never see me as well, yeah, but yeah.
Word.
So, yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, that's basically the main reason why
Jaja.
me and Zoe don't in a relationship, because of that and that. So now me basically there now, me I work with a girl and I try erase some of the bad fuckery I'm going with in the past, but in the process, look like I'm coming off too obsessive, because the one I want to see me as this obsessive guy about the girl where you don't want her. It's not a case like that, people. It's basically the guy that fucked up so many times in the past, trying to get back the girl that him fuck ups over and over and over, and she's having a very difficult time trusting me again, because basically, yeah, 5 reasons that my name why she wouldn't look for them. I 5 reasons that I can't go 6, but I not do that.
Brother.
So
all of them they're invalid. None of them reasons are valid.
I don't know. I wonder why I basically have so much bad issue with Zoe. Why Zoe always respond and why Zoe don't take me back. She don't love me and I'm gonna sit there. She love me and she just don't say that shit on camera like that. Cause by the end of the day, Zoe is trying to protect herself where I am concerned. Cause come on, basically give her a bun 5 times in a row, something like that. Cause
pause this real quick, bro. You gave nobody bun, bro, and you didn't have a side girl. You were dating her while you were fucking another girl. TAVII ZOEY is not a girl, so the girl you're fucking is not a side girl. Those 5 reasons or 5 wrong bang where you say 5 strikes. It's not no strikes. First of all, when I told you that I don't have no girl, I didn't know who the fuck you were. That's a number 1. So I can't tell you any blood clot thing. Cause first of all, who are you? Now, when we get deeper and the thing reveal, yeah, I'm gonna keep it real. Yeah, I got a girl. I'm talking to somebody right now. I don't need for lying and go on the most way. But because she's so possessive, you feel like you are explaining. They don't want nobody shit, bad bro. Come on, my nigga, let's go.
It was only focused on me as a person. So if Zoe really don't see like happiness or comfort or joy in me, or look at me to say, alright then, because she love me as a best friend, you know. But if she really not see me as a type of person to say, alright then, I just gonna be there for, you see me? I just saw. So I'm leave her wrong. I'm not bash her for the video I say with sheep and such man bed.
Nah, man, you have a bash our blood clot.
Cause what? Look at me, I'm gonna fuck Ali. And
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
very wrong on his stills. Wrong, whichever one you want, cause
You know, you that boy, yeah.
So
Pause this real quick. Brother, wait for rank say you fuck Ali. You're a girl not there, brother. So you can fuck who you want fuck my G. Any girl where they are road and want fling the pussy and gear, you can fuck her. You and TAVII down there bad, bro. So you talk about what you call it? You know, you see me? Brother talk you talk bad, bro. The girl make song and say, yo, you know ready, yes man. She bubbling on my boy the bed, brother. Call her a bitch one time. Say, yo, you move your blood clot dirty bitch. Call her a bitch at least one time, bad bro. Can't be the girl bubbling at the man bed and laugh off you. I remember say, she laugh when the man say you use your palm. That means she laugh because you back your fist bad, bro. Your knuckles them creamy. You understand me? I say bad, bro. And she laugh off you in the man bed. In a blood clot, boy shorts and hoodie. You can't go out like that, bad bro. Girl say you knuckle them creamy, my G. Go continue.
bash her for that. Oh wait, I'm never and wait. I'm gonna make that video that means I'm gonna talk back to her. I'm just clear the ears still. I'm realize where she's getting a lot of fire with her in this concert. I'm just kind of clear the ears still. Cause by the end of the day, me and her was friends basically. So yeah, so more like me I say again. The reason for the girl clown thing, when you hear it already, I basically did have her in my answer. I basically have one bar woman, I did have a woman then, I did a look her, I pursue other females at the same time, and she find out about them. That's how we get to this point now. So Zoe have me as a liar, and Zoe obviously she can't trust me. So that's why we are not in a relationship, and that's why we're not going into a relationship at this moment, cause me fuck it up, people. And I like say she play advocate that she don't want me. She want me, she just don't trust me for there with me. And certain people are not gonna get up and say it on social media, which is understandable because bear in mind, you's a girl, you don't want your business all over on social media. Fine, cool, understood. That video with Chuck start on in bed, but even like about a comment on that, but even know what to say. Zine, but
call her a bitch one time, brother.
But at the same time, I'm sorry for the whole fuck we're going. I'm not so sorry for. I'm building society over
exactly. We are so sorry for.
I'm kind of out. I'm going to drink my rum and thing. So yeah, for all those who are wondering why am I a girl clone or why you think I'm a girl clone, that's the whole reason. Me basically do the whole life, the girl's life. And she find out about it, now she have problems now. Cause me, believe it or not, when I meet Zoe, I never really want to be a girl. I never really want to be a fucking boy girl anymore. I be straight, I talk straight and plain. But I just want to settle along with her because I realize I and her cover off so much aspects, we do so much shit together. The amount of places me and Zoe go, the amount of things when we do with Zoe, it's unbelievable, yo. So, but I try to work with you alone, but at the same time I was thirsty. When I don't talk, I was thirsty. I'm a job for other girl and I was very fucked up. And that makes you feel like a small. So that's why how she's behaving now, with how we react on social media, that's why it is like that. So yeah, that answers you guys' question. I know you, and now you see what I've been doing videos with Zoe. Basically trying to fix back certain broken parts. Yeah. So yeah. I'm out. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Next thing, Zoe did send me one song. I'm listening it and big man thing it's talking about me. So Zoe I go upload one song, so every single word we hear she say, yeah, I mean she talk. Cause I just listen to the song and I say, Bumbleclad, shades back, left, right and center. Yo, I saw the song have me. And I saw the song have me. Pussy. But yeah, Zoe I got drop a song, so look out for it. Still not talk to her still, cause that's very fucked up with what she do with Chuck. But yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Y'all niggas are marketing geniuses, bro. All I know we're involved in this so-called prank. You understand? Autotube, TAVII ZOEY, Arjay, Chuckstar. All I know brilliant as fuck, you know what I mean? And I'm brilliant as fuck for you follow up this bullshit right so because YouTube money there for all the way. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, I saw the thing set on the king step. Arjay explained himself as to why people think him is a girl clown and it's a legitimate reason. And, you know, now the girl clown title can slowly go away because, you know, the man there look out for the girl because him do road with her. And if him do road with her, him have all right for assume responsibility because at the end of the day, anything I'm to her, fear mother go call him. So let me know what you thinking in the comment section. You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. You understand? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can grow the bomb clad family. You understand my deal? Yeah, Perry.